So we're here in a bamboo jungle. Beautiful. Walking to Lulumahu Falls. This is something else. Pretty muddy through here. Beautiful. It's a bamboo forest. It's gorgeous. I really thought this was like a small, short little hike. No, brother. This is in there. Terrain is pretty serious. Easy to get lost if we didn't have these markers on the trees. And see? I don't know if this is the right way. Oh, I see a marker, so it is. Gotta cross that. Over there. Trying not to fall in the water. Wow, this is gorgeous. Sheesh. Made it. Worth it. For sure. I lied. I thought I made it. I didn't make it. I made it now. Wow. That's a good 200 feet. Yeah, he's just a baby.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like he's in the military. He said something on his vest.
I went to pet him and he gave me a nice little nibble.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
First of all, it's cute. No?
Scuba Steve. So ever since I was here about 2 years ago, there's like 2 or 3 things that I dream about still. And one of them, I know it's hyped, but damn, it's good, is Giovannis Shrimp Truck here on the north side, North Shore. Yeah, maybe I don't know. I don't think it's overhyped. Maybe I was super hungry that day, but let's see again if I feel the same about it. Let's go. Already just stepping out of the car, the smell of garlic is heavy, thick. So I drove about 5 miles around the North Shore so I could have lunch in peace. Even with all the COVID rules, Giovanni's is still really packed. Oh, wow, 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 wow. So just parked here, got the tailgate open. Look at this, just smothered in garlic. Oh boy, beautiful, gorgeous. So I poured some of their world famous hot sauce on it. Oh boy, would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Come on. Come on. Man. That's all it's about. Verdict? It's honestly not as good as I remember. The rice was overcooked a little bit. I mean, the shrimp is great. Sauces are great. The garlic all over makes it really good. But just the rice kind of threw me off. It was a little overcooked. Other than that, good. But $14, I would expect the rice to be, on point. But look at this view. The waves are huge. Today's Friday. I saw that Saturday there's going to be 30-foot waves out here on the North Shore, so pretty sweet. I mean, they're already huge. I wouldn't even get close to going out there. Boom. Hostel life. This is how you keep things on a budget and be able to travel and not spend, $200 a night on a freaking hotel room, pointless, that I don't stay in. If you go anywhere really on a trip and you just don't use your room as a place to sleep, what are you doing? No, that's not what travel's about. If you're in your room watching TV, I've seen reviews of, oh, it didn't have a TV, or the TV sucked, or the TV too small. What the hell are you doing, man? No. You have a place to sleep. That's all you need. This is one of the nicer hostels that I've been to here in Oahu. This is my second time on the island. So I got just me and my buddy here. There's no one else here, so that's cool. Sometimes it can get too cramped, but it's super safe here. Everyone's been COVID tested to get to the island, so I mean it's pretty safe. Just if you want to travel and you're not rich like me, you don't need to spend crazy amounts of money. I saw this. I was listening to this podcast or something, and this guy's like a travel agent or something, and I was just trying to learn about how to get to the island, properly and safely and everything. And you know, people go on vacations and they're like, I have a budget of, you know, 5,000, and that's with the family. So like, I was supposed to come with a friend here, but she couldn't make it. But God, man, I'm barely gonna spend $1,000. The rental car is the most expensive thing. So last time I was here, you know, we didn't rent a car. We did rent a car, but we got it late or something. No, rental car is kind of necessary just because, you know, with photography and you know, flying the drone and stuff like that, and just being able to get around freely. Yes, if you wanted to do even cheaper, there's buses that go around the whole island. You could do that easily. You can rent bikes. I rented bikes, share bikes. That's pretty, just to stay local here in Honolulu. But yeah, pretty cool. You know, all you need is just the essentials, just a place to rest your head, a shower, which I don't know. I've just been kind of hopping in the ocean, you know. Not bad. I mean, you really don't need too much. Just a shower and then, you know, since I didn't get to come with my friend, you meet people here, you know, and you can go hang out and do what you want to do. Sweet.